I don't like to show most people my dogs because they're terrified of them. You know, it's hard when you got these dogs most people are scared of, you know what I mean? I bring them out and everybody fucking runs. And, you know, you just get judged on these dogs. They really shouldn't scare the public, you know what I mean? They're nice dogs. But with that being said, my dogs, my vicious dogs, everybody, get up. I feel like a bitch. Time for you. Don't get this work. Don't know what I'm gonna do today.
To help you enjoy gluten-free meals.
I gotta figure it out. Today's actually a free day. Haven't had one of those in a while. Shout out to all you people out there grinding, living life, grabbing life by the cojones.
Right now, with up to 50% off all dresses, all tops, and all pants.
Wait, up to 50% off?
That's right, get dresses from $15 and tops.
I got dreams, man. Hope everybody out there got dreams, man. I got goals, bro. We need to make it somewhere in life, man. What we gonna do today? What we gonna do today? We're gonna get that haircut. Then we're gonna hit that gym. Once I hit the gym, the mind opens up a little bit. I'm doing something where I'm going backwards in my life right now. I'm selling all the shit that I don't use, that's just there and it's worth something. Trying to own as little shit as possible, man. I'm over all that bullshit where we gotta buy fucking $200 sneakers and shit like that, man. Fuck that. I want more than that. I want eternal success. I don't want to be doomed. God damn, I'm fucking tired. Shit. Need that cup of coffee. Need that cup of coffee. If you're feeling down, put your favorite song on. One of your favorite songs. And think about a good memory. You should feel better. You should feel better. Depends what kind of down you got too. You know, nothing's easy. Shit, man. I need to go. Fuck, man. I'm not gonna make it. Oh well. I hope y'all liking the content I'm providing. Shout out to the soccer players. Soccer season over here. Getting that calorie burning going as a youngin'. Ain't nothing wrong with that, G. Ain't nothing wrong with that, G. Fucking working is crazy, right? Fucking working every day. I think I'm gonna do a video of how to dread Sunday, because I know for years I fucking hated fucking Sundays, dude, because Mondays was coming. So today would be like the actual day to feel like, yay. But I got you, cuz. I think the main thing is if you're in a job that you fucking hate, like with a passion, get the fuck out of there. Now the problem with that is, sometimes we're in a job that fucking pays us pretty well, but we still fucking hate it. I had one of those. Now what I did, I'll tell you what I did. I fucking quit. I said, I'm done. Fuck this. They started changing management. They started fucking giving pay cuts and shit like that. And I was like, yo, if you gonna give pay cuts, you might as well fire my ass. Fuck this. Stop making excuses. Get your ass to the gym. Work out. Make your mind stronger. Your heart. And most importantly, you'll feel better.